afternoon. Welcome to Storytime with the Hearst Public Library. My name is Miss Danielle, and today we're going to be reading books about baking and cooking in the kitchen. Have you been cooking more since you've been home? I know that I have. I've probably eaten too many cookies. How many cookies have you eaten? Is there such a thing as too many? I don't think so. Today's first story is Piggies in the Kitchen. It's written by Michelle Meadows, illustrated by Ard Hoyt, and we're reading it today with permission from Simon & Schuster Books for Young Readers. Little snouts and curly tails, pink feet jumping high. Hugs and kisses all around. Mama says, goodbye. Piggies in the kitchen climb up to the top. Dig through all the cupboards, careful not to drop. Squeeze out sticks of butter, flour in the bowl. Carton takes a tumble, eggs begin to roll. Gulp, gulp, oink, oink, pour another cup. Vroom, 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 someone's driving up. Cover up the batter, hide the wooden spoon. Brush away the sugar, whistling a tune. Snip, snap go the blinds. Is Mama coming now? Nope, it isn't Mama. It's only Mrs. Cow. Piggies in the kitchen sprinkle chocolate chips. Two sneak the frosting and one piggy drips. Swish, swish, oink, oink. Stir it to the beat. Vroom, 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 vroom. Someone's in the street. Cover up the batter. Hide the wooden spoon. Brush away the sugar, whistling a tune. Snip, snap go the blinds. Who's outside the house? Nope, it isn't Mama. It's only Mrs. Mouse. Piggies in the kitchen roll the dough across. Add cinnamon and whipped cream. Pour the chocolate sauce. Twist, twist, oink, oink. Open up the jar. Vroom, 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 vroom. Piggies holler, car! Cover up the batter. Hide the wooden spoon. Brush away the sugar, whistling a tune. Snip, snap go the blinds. Beep, beep, beep. Nope, it isn't Mama. It's only Mrs. Sheep. Piggies in the kitchen wipe off baby's dress. Papa yells, oh no! Who made such a mess? Come on, Papa, help us. Turn the oven high. Yum, yum, oink, oink. Don't forget the pie. Ding, 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 ding. Take the goodies out. Sniff, sniff, oink, oink. Watch your little snout. Mama's really coming. Baby piggy's stuck. Stomp, 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 stomp. Everybody, duck. Mama's in the kitchen. She can't believe her eyes. Pop, 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 pop. What a pig surprise. Oink, oink, squeak, squeak. Ba, ba, moo. Happy birthday, Mama. We love you. The end. Our next book is called Duck Soup. It's written by Jackie Urbanovic with permission from HarperCollins Publishers. Duck Soup. This was it. A little pepper, some salt, a little parsley, and potato. Soup. This would be Max's masterpiece. Ooh la la! This is going to be grand. Max had made lots of soups before. Fish soup with curry and pickled lemon. Red hot chili soup, squash gumbo, Cracker Barrel cheese and marshmallow soup, and way too many bean soup. He had cooked them all, but every recipe had been created by another chef, not Max. Now he was making his own soup, the soup that he, Maxwell Duck, would be remembered for inventing. Slurp, slurp, sip. It smells perfect, but the taste is not quite right. Max thought it over. A pinch of this, a pinch of that. Broccoli? Zucchini? That's it! Chives? It needs an herb from the garden. Just wait, my delicate broth. Max will be back to make you perfecto in uno momento. Smack! The front door slammed shut as Brody, Dakota, and Bibi walked in. Sniff, sniff, sniff. Ooh, what smells so good? Asked Brody. Max must be cooking again. I hope it's better than last time, said Dakota. Hey, Max! Maxie! Where are you? Called Brody. We're about to eat your soup, added Dakota. So, what's wrong? Asked Brody. Taste it already, Dakota. Dakota gasped. I think I know where Max went. I told him he should never cook alone. Do you think he fell in? I'm sure he did. Call for help, cried Bibi. Help! There's no time, said Dakota. Max, grab the spoon, yelled Dakota. That won't work, said Bibi. He can't hear you. I know! The strainer! Strainer? The big bowl with the little holes. Grab it! Brody hoped that the soup would go down the drain and Max would stay behind. Ah! It's his head, said Bibi. Silly, it's only a potato, Brody replied. Eyeballs! His eyeballs! Said Bibi. Guys, it's only tiny onions, said Brody. His feet! Yelled Dakota. Calm down, you two. It's only carrot slices, said Brody. Smack! They all looked up as the back door slammed shut. Who could that be? My soup! Max! 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 That night, Max was very quiet over dinner. Cheer up, Max. You're still a great chef, said Irene. And you'll cook your perfect soup someday soon, she added. And it'll be great, said Brody. Really great, said Bibi. I know you're disappointed, said Irene, but at least you're not duck soup. And they all agreed, even Max. The